What's your name? What's your name? My name is Anika Akhtar. Do you have any nickname? Do you have any nickname? Yes, I do have a nickname. My nickname is Babli. You can call me Babli. What do you do? What do you do? I am a housewife. I am also a content creator. Right now, I make content regarding English on YouTube and Facebook. What's your father's name? What's your father's name? My father's name is MD Anwar Hussain. What's your mother's name? What's your mother's name? My mother's name is Paula Akhtar. What does your father do? What does your father do? My father is a businessman. What does your mother do? What does your mother do? My mother is a housewife. How many family members are there in your family? Right now, I have six family members in my family. How many brothers and sisters do you have? I have two siblings, one younger brother and one younger sister. Who is the favorite person in your family? Of course, my daughter. Are you married? Yes, I'm married. What does your husband do? My husband is a service holder. Are you happy with your family? Yes, I'm happy with my family. Yes, I still study. Yes, I still study. I am pursuing my master's degree. Who was your favorite teacher at school? Shitangshu Bikashko. He was my English teacher. How did you go to your school? I used to go by rickshaw, sometimes foot as well. What's your favorite subject? English. Do you go to study tour? Yes, I used to go to study tour. How's your study going on? Very well. Are you a service holder? Yes, I'm a service holder. What are you doing at present? At present, I'm a housewife. I also make content regarding English on Facebook and YouTube. Do you like business? Yes, I do like business. What kind of business are you interested in? I like business related import and export. Do you have any aim in life? Yes, I do have an aim in life. What's your hobby? I like singing. Which country do you like the most? I like Switzerland.